What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here with you is main script. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Guys, there's a newly launched AI powered market prediction platform which is owned by perpetual.com limited. So I'm going to be taking you through that AI platform today. The platform was just released recently, so let's just go over to perpetual.com. So this particular AI trading platform was launched by Perpetuals Limited. So you see, and also on their website they just added this. They said Upside Only is live. So this is an AI trading platform. So I'll be taking through what Upside Only does. So you see, read about their CEO's foundation statement about Upside Only. You can go ahead to check more info about Perpetuals. So the name of the platform is Upside Only. So let's just click on this, a new prediction platform. So we are seeing the website here, Upside Only. So what you just be doing on this website is this is an AI trading platform. So you come over to the website, register an account. After you've registered an account, then you have to start trading. So once you place any prediction, then their AI will verify if the trade you actually predicted, if it's going to work or not. So once their AI sees that the trade is going to work out, what it does is it places the particular trade with the company's funds. So once the take profit of that particular trade has been hit, then you get a share from their company fund. So that is just it. User predicts whether markets like stock, crypto, forex or community will go up or down. So you can either buy or sell, but they don't trade with your own money. So there's nothing like you trading with your money on this platform. Instead, the company's AI system, so it's the one that decides which prediction seems strong and then trade using the company's capital. So if the trade profits, the user get a share. So once your trade you predicted profits, you get a share, and if it loses, you lose nothing. This is their website here. We see trade with no possible downside, free, no money down, no trading risks. You can click here to start trading and register an account. But I came across this platform that was yesterday, so I just decided to make a video for us. And I'm also going to be trying out this platform because once you register, you're going to be given an 100,000 virtual funds, so you can withdraw from the particular funds. So the only withdrawal you can make is once the company uses your prediction to trade, once they take the position, so you tend to get a particular percentage from them. So you see how it's worked here. Let's just go through this how it works. Trade without risks. Our AI finds the winner, so it's the AI that finds the winner. We use our phone to make the trades. They basically use their phones to make the trades. So the virtual fund that you're given is just for you to place position. So the AI can find the trade that won. So you see, successful trade pay both of us. So the company will get paid and you also be getting paid. So start trading, you can click here to start trading. So you see two ways to find out if you are right. One costs you money, one doesn't. So trading with Upside Only, there's no personal risk, so you're not putting any money, no money is involved. The AI tech just find the top trades and only upside. So you see this, you see all this, then you see this week top traders. So this person is about 32.7% up from the virtual fund he was given. So you see it's presently at 133k. So he was given 100k virtual. That is the amount everybody will be given, but it's presently up about 32.7%. So I'm sure this person will be getting paid. So you see the next person about 7.4%, 7k up. When you click on the get started or sign up, then you'll be taken over to this sign up page. So you can register with your Google, you can continue with your X account, you can enter your email and password. So I'll just suggest you use your email. Just enter your email, then enter your password, then complete this verification. So once you've done that, just click on this sign up button. But I already registered my account, so I'll just go to log in. Okay, now we are inside the platform. Now you see this is the dashboard. You can predict, win and earn. Simple. So yeah, if you want to start, you can just click on this start trading journey. Then you can also see how it works here. I already took you through how it works. So you can trade stock, you can trade crypto, you can trade forex and commodities. So you can just come over to this platform and just trade them. So you see my overview. Register at Upside Only, make your first trade, then close trade across two different assets. So you see the progress I'm presently at is just I just registered an account with them. Just clicking on this menu here, you see the virtual balance here. So this is the virtual balance everybody will be given. So you can't make any, if you make profit from here, you can't make withdrawal. You only get commissions once you predict your trade position to the company and they take the trade. So once they take the trade, you get a particular commission. So you'll be seeing it that this is available, then you can just go ahead to make a withdrawal. So and before you able to make withdrawal, you need to complete their KYC. You have to do a verification and all that. Just going over to your profile, coming over to this verification, you see I'm presently not verified, so I still need to do my KYC verification and all that. But I still want to like just try out this platform and see how it works. I'm still going to be giving us much more updates on my YouTube channel. Make sure you stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and I'll also be dropping my referral link in this video. So for you to register, start using this opportunity, you understand. So let's just go over to this trade. At this trade now, this is where you can start placing trade. So you see this is the gold. You can click here to change the currency you want to trade. So you can go with crypto, stock, forex, commodity. But for example, if I'm going with AUD, I'll just select AUD. Or if I'm going with BTC, I'll just select BTC. Or if it's GBP USD, I'll just select that. But let's say I'm going with gold because I love gold. So let's say I'm going with gold. You can come over here to just change the candles from line chart to candles. So for you to read the candles more, so you see the minutes here, that is the time frame. So you can go with 15 minutes, you can go with 1 hour. If I'm going with 1 hour, so I will see what XAU is presently doing. And as I know, I'm a trader, so I'm expecting a bullish movement on gold. So but I've not seen any position yet, so I won't be executing any trade now. You see the virtual fund, so this is what we are using to trade. So you can click on buy. Once I click on buy, you select the order type. If I'm going with markets, or if I'm going with limit. If I'm going with market, I'll just select market, then I'll just enter the amount. So for example, I like trading with 1% of my account. So since I'm having this amount, so I'll just trade with 1% of this amount. Then I just have to like enter my stop loss, enter my take profit, then just go ahead to submit the trade. So once the trade has been submitted, the AI is going to like update the complaints about my trade position, and once the AI proves that it's right, they take my trade position. Once my trade come out in profits, I'm also going to be making profit from the trade I took. So I'm going to be trying out this platform. I'm already testing it out, and this is not a financial advice. This is just an educational review only, so you can also do your research about this platform. There's no proof that a withdrawal has been made from this platform. This platform was just recently released. I'm going to be testing out the platform, and I'm going to be updating you how it goes. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel and make sure you subscribe. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.